What should you do if you've lost your UBO credit card? Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll let you guys know what you should be doing if you have lost your UBO credit card. In order to do it or to fix this, you could open up a browser and on the web address bar type in www.tmrw by uob.com /id/en/health emergency. I lost my card. How do I block it? You could go to this link and here you provided relevant information on what you should be doing. So if you've lost your card, you could go ahead and block it or get a replacement. Now for security reason, they advise you to temporarily block your card by following the steps. Log into your UOB TMRW and navigate to your respective card. Thereafter, tap Services and temporarily freeze card uses under Card Security and tap the OK button. Thereafter, you could ask to permanently block your card and ask for a replacement. Tap on Report Lost or Stolen Card under Card Security. Here, you could also go in and contact the branch itself if you're unable to follow the steps. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.